Two antique dealers in a SUV proceeded to cut me off. I followed them downtown to one of them artists' loft. One of the guys came to the door. He said, "Hi, you must be Mitch." I said, "No." I punched him in the teeth and said, "I'm a truck driving son of a bitch." Oh yeah, truck driving son of a bitch. Truck driving son of a bitch. Chain smoking, baby joking, truck driving son of a bitch. The new waitress, she gave me the eye at Greasy Bob's Come On In. Took her home to a honky-tonk. Next thing, we're checking into the Springfield Inn. In the morning, she says, "I love you, Hank." Then she starts to twitch. Said, "Sorry, baby, gotta go, 'cause I'm truck driving son of a bitch." Oh, yeah. I'm a truck driving son of a bitch. I'm a pill poppin', JoJo eatin', truck driving son of a bitch. A chicken fried steak eatin', truck driving son of a bitch. A $5 shower, duty girl happy hour, truck driving son of a bitch. Oh yeah. Hey. What's your 20 down 10 ball? Buddy.
Get ready, 10 ball.
Drinking beer at my favorite bar, the Chrome Nudie Girl Inn. Truckers don't like shuttle bus drivers, and a slew of them walked in. Rather drink with a Smoky Bear and get the hemorrhoid itch. Me and Bob beat the shit out of them, 'cause I'm a truck driving son of a bitch.
Truck driving son of a bitch. I'm a truck driving son of a bitch. A sideburr wearing, red man chewing, truck driving son of a bitch. Thelma and Louise hating, yeah, truck driving son of a bitch. Driving son of a bitch. Oh yeah. Hey, come on. Hey, jeez, man. I thought you were a girl with all that hair. Where you going, boy?
Hey, dude. I'm going to a folk festival in Aspen.
Oh yeah, no kidding? The fuck out of my truck.